For thousands of years, humans have been obsessed with one question: how can we live forever? From the fountain of youth to elixirs of immortality, our ancestors dreamed of outsmarting time. But what if the secret to extending human life wasn't hidden in myths, but crawling along the ocean floor? Meet George, a 140-year-old lobster. His incredible lifespan has captured the imagination of scientists and may hold the key to unlocking longevity for humans. In this video, we'll explore how George challenges everything we know about aging, why billionaires are investing millions into anti-aging research, and whether nature itself has already given us the blueprint for longer, healthier lives. The idea of cheating death is as old as civilization itself. In ancient China, emperors consumed strange alchemical mixtures to try to extend their lives. Spanish explorers like Ponce searched for the legendary fountain of youth. In modern times, science fiction has promised futuristic cures and technological immortality. But here's the truth: while humans have dreamed of immortality, our biology has always stood in the way. Cells deteriorate, organs fail. The human body simply wasn't designed to last forever, or so we thought. Today, advances in genetics, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology are pushing the boundaries. Scientists believe we may soon live not just longer lives, but healthier ones too. And surprisingly, one of the greatest teachers in this quest is not human, it's a lobster. This is where human ambition collides with nature. Around the world, scientists are racing to apply discoveries from creatures like George to human health. Enter Brian Johnson, a tech entrepreneur who has invested over $2 million into cutting-edge longevity research. His goal? To find ways to slow, stop, or even reverse the aging process. Johnson and others believe that by studying creatures with unusual lifespans like lobsters, turtles, and jellyfish, we can unlock biological tricks to extend human life. But it's not just about living longer, it's about living better. Imagine reaching the age of 100 with the strength and energy of a 50-year-old. That's the vision driving today's longevity research. Meet George. George isn't just any lobster. Estimated to be 140 years old, he was caught off the coast of Newfoundland. To put that into perspective, George was alive before the invention of the light bulb, before airplanes, before modern medicine. Yet, despite living well over a century, lobsters like George don't appear to weaken with age. Unlike humans, they keep growing, keep reproducing, and keep repairing their bodies long past the point we would expect decline. Scientists studying George discovered something extraordinary. Lobsters produce an enzyme called telomerase throughout their entire lives. This enzyme repairs and lengthens telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes. For humans, telomeres shorten over time, leading to aging. For lobsters, telomeres helps keep their cells dividing indefinitely. George isn't just an old lobster, he is a living clue to solving one of biology's greatest mysteries. Still, there's a challenge. In humans, telomerase can extend cell life, but it also increases the risk of uncontrolled cell growth, better known as cancer. So the question is, how do lobsters avoid this deadly trade-off? Solving that puzzle could open the door to revolutionary treatments. Let's take a closer look at why lobsters like George are so unique. Cellular repair. Thanks to telomerase, lobster cells keep regenerating efficiently. Reproductive strength. Lobsters remain fertile throughout their lives, unlike humans who experience decline. Continuous growth. They keep growing larger with age, defying the typical life cycle of animals. But there's a catch. Lobsters don't actually die of old age. Instead, they often die because the molting process, shedding and regrowing their shells, becomes too exhausting as they get massive in size. In other words, they don't succumb to aging itself, but to the limits of their biology. For scientists, this makes lobsters an invaluable model organism. If we can understand how their biology resists aging, we might one day adapt those mechanisms to humans without the drawbacks. If you've ever wondered what makes some people age faster than others, it's probably a combination of genetics and lifestyle. But today, thanks to technology, you can actually take steps to help slow down the aging process and improve your health and appearance. So what does this all mean for us? Researchers are already testing therapies inspired by nature: gene editing with CRISPR to repair DNA damage, stem cell therapies to regenerate tissues, drugs targeting telomeres to extend cellular health. Some predict that in the next 50 years, humans could regularly live past 120. But here's the deeper question: should we? If aging can be slowed or reversed, what does that mean for society, for population growth, for the environment? Would only the rich have access to these treatments, or could they benefit everyone? The science of longevity doesn't just raise biological questions, it raises ethical ones too. And yet, the research continues. Every new discovery takes us closer to rewriting what it means to be human. And now for a special message from our sponsor. Now back to the video. Imagine being able to turn back time and relive your youth, not just in your mind, but in reality. It sounds like a fantasy, but it's becoming a real possibility thanks to today's advancements in science and technology. With Thermage, you can experience the benefits of a non-invasive facelift without going under the knife. This revolutionary treatment uses patented technology to heat the deeper layers of your skin, stimulating the production of collagen and elastin, the building blocks of a youthful and glowing complexion. You'll see immediate results as fine lines and wrinkles are smoothed out, leaving you with a more refreshed and rejuvenated appearance. But the benefits of Thermage go beyond just tightening and lifting the skin. It also deeply hydrates the skin, giving you a plump and luscious look that can turn back the clock by years. Say goodbye to dry and dehydrated skin, and hello to a radiant and supple complexion that will make you look and feel like you did in your younger years. Thermage is a quick and comfortable treatment that fits seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. During the procedure, you'll feel a gentle warming sensation as the treatment head glides effortlessly over your skin, leaving you relaxed and rejuvenated. With minimal downtime, you'll be able to resume your daily activities right away. What sets apart is the level of expertise and artistry of their practitioners. They have a deep understanding of facial anatomy and aging, allowing them to tailor each treatment plan to meet the unique needs of their clients. Their dedication to using the latest advancements in technology, combined with their personalized approach, ensures that you receive the most effective and natural-looking results possible. Don't wait another minute to turn back the clock and reveal the youthful and vibrant skin you deserve. Contact us today to schedule your consultation and take the first step towards a more beautiful and confident you. Thermage has helped countless individuals rediscover their inner and outer beauty, empowering them to embrace each new chapter of their lives with confidence and radiance. Transform your skin and reveal the best version of yourself with Thermage. And now, back to the video. In the grand tapestry of life, we humans often find ourselves yearning for the extraordinary. We dream of magical fountains, mythical elixirs, or futuristic technologies that promise to unlock the secrets of eternal youth. Yet, here's the paradox. The answers we seek might lie not in the distant future, but in the very essence of our existence. What if the key to longevity is encoded in the stars that have guided us since the dawn of time? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of aging, hit the like button, subscribe for more mysteries of nature and technology, and let us know in the comments. If you had the chance to live to 150 in good health, would you take it?